Hey guys, this is our day 4 of the Thanksgiving story. So remember, we just celebrated a holiday called Thanksgiving. And the reason why we do that is because a long time ago, there was a group of people who lived in a place called England. The leaders there did not want the people to worship God the way that the Bible said to. People decided to leave England and to go to America. These people were called pilgrims. Pilgrims gathered all of their things and got on a ship called the Mayflower. Pilgrims had to endure storms and high waters during their trip. At times they were afraid, but they prayed and asked the Lord to keep them safe. After a long journey, they finally arrived. Some of the men took one of the smaller ships and sailed to the mainland to find a good place to build their homes. After a short journey, the men found a good spot and named the place Plymouth. Everyone thanked God for bringing them to a new home. The Pilgrims had to work very hard to make this a nice place to live. There was no store to buy food, so they had to hunt and fish for their food. They also had to work very hard to build new homes for themselves. First, they built a common house, a large building for them to all meet together. Sadly, many of the Pilgrims became sick in the winter, and so the common house became a hospital for the sick. After the winter ended, it would have been safe for them to travel back across the sea to go back home to England because the people that had gotten sick, a lot of them had died. So they probably thought about going back at times. But the Pilgrims knew that they had come to America for the right reasons. They wanted to pray and serve God with all their heart. They believed that God would take care of them. Oops. So the Pilgrims found some land and began to plant crops. They also met the people who found the land, the Indians. One day, the Indians, Samoset and Squanto, came to visit the Pilgrims. They helped the Pilgrims grow more crops and do it in a more efficient way. Pilgrims and the Indians decided to be friends. The gardens that Squanto helped the Pilgrims grow, helped the Pilgrims plant, grew well. So the Pilgrims decided to have a celebration. They would have a big feast and give thanks to God, and they invited their Indian friends. The men hunted turkey for the feast. They had berries and desserts and baked goods. On Thanksgiving Day, the Pilgrims and the Indians gathered together and prayed together. They gave thanks to God for protecting, providing, and keeping them safe. They celebrated for 3 days. The Pilgrims were so glad that they came to America and glad that they made new friends. So when we celebrated Thanksgiving this past week, we were joining in with our family to thank God for all that He has done. Think about some ways that you should be thankful to God, some things that God has given you, like a good family, things that you could say, thank you, God. Bye, guys.